Yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind doing this because like gets the job done. My face is clear. I don't have a background. This is nice. This is like I like this because this is like mera pura YouTube channel in dark mode. So
Yeah.
I like it.
Black, background black.
Yeah, man. Like it's the perfect camouflage. Like, I'm a ghost. मेरा मुंडी इधर उधर उड़ रहा है बस.
Actually. Oh my God, light has come.
Can this stupid thing make up its mind? Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to और बता. My name is Sid and I've got with me जो ऐसे मस्त चश्मे पहन के स्माइल कर रही है नूतन बाला. She is the vice president at Bulk MRO, and I know what you guys are thinking. Vice president, she looks young enough to go to college. I know. My reaction as well. And that's basically what we're going to talk about is how she got to where she is, what are the different challenges she faced. This is one of those corporate trainings which is not a corporate training, but like you can turn on a presentation and watch it. So like the next time nobody needs to make a presentation out of it. Now all you have to do is show my video. Nutan, welcome to the channel. Welcome.
Hi, hello.
This was done on very short notice and this has been quite spontaneous like you said.
Yeah, I mean, I also wanted to be a part of this. As I told you that this seems very creative to me, and I just wanted to experience this.
एक्सपीरियंस तो भाई बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं इधर. एक्सपीरियंस की बात करें तो वेरी डेकोरेटेड सीवी एंड ऑल. यू गॉट द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस देयर इज. क्या कर रहे हो आजकल?
The first thing is सुबह उठ के I do yoga, I do meditation. So that is like most important part of my day. Even when I work, I don't miss on meditation and yoga. That's something which keeps me motivated for the entire day. Specifically meditation. I mean, when you have to manage a lot of people, you have to keep yourself calm. And meditation does help you to keep that maintain that calm for the entire day.
Right.
रात को आते आते I definitely get that वो exhaust हो जाता है. अगले दिन वापस से बैटरी भरनी पड़ती है. But yeah, it does help. So one day is my day to do all safai because no maid. So one day I do safai and one day my husband. So we like alternate days safai. And then obviously you have to cook breakfast and then my day starts. Generally, actually in this period, there's no personal time or there's no professional time. Everything has just merged together. Even I get work at 7 o'clock in the morning, sometimes 12 or 1 in the night too. I mean, it's like obviously the pura din ghar pe anytime work can come. So
by the way, हम ये रात के 11:30 बजे शूट कर रहे हैं. Just FYI.
Exactly. I mean, when I work, I रोज एक दो लोगों को नीचे लेके जाके चाहे टपरी पे चाय मारो, but I interact with
You're getting the chance to do that.
Yes, I mean I do this. I ensure that at least every day, once a day, I go downstairs with different people. I mean, अगर आज किसी के साथ गई हूँ तो कल किसी और के साथ. So I just do this with random people of my own team, so that they don't feel that there is some VP thing. They just treat me like a friend. Where at least ऊपर नहीं तो कम से कम टपरी पे तो they can discuss things with me कि भाई क्या चल रहा है.
मुझे ऐसे bosses क्यों नहीं मिले? Like I'm trying to understand that.
And then obviously टपरी पर you get to know a lot of gossip going on in the market. That's something icing on the cake. भले ही VP, but ultimately I'm a female, I'm a girl. I'm always up for gossiping. No,
even if you're not, मतलब competitive की बरकत करना जरूरी है. So I get that. So we want to know a little bit about Bulk MRO because I'm going to put the link to your website in the description. I checked out their website. They've got some amazing stuff on COVID. They've gathered an entire team. They're doing a lot of things. And of course, they've been very descriptive about how they go about things. Please tell us, क्या करते हो तुम लोग? What do you guys do?
Yeah, I mean, basically we are into aggregation business. So aggregation means procurement में कैसे रहता है? I mean, just in the layman's language so that everybody who is doing this can understand.
Yes.
Like if you go outside and you tell somebody that I want to buy one single dress versus you want to buy 10 dresses. So the price you will be getting for 10 dresses will be definitely much better than what the price you will be getting for one single dress.
True.
So I mean, normally what people do, what industries do is that they compile their entire requirement of the plant and they just come up with a quantity for their respective vendors. So for example, if somebody is buying say pipes, so on pipes they must be like buying say 1 lakh pipes a year. So they just do 1 lakh pura पूरा कंबाइन करते हैं एंड दे जस्ट से कि मुझे 1 लाख पे आप डिस्काउंट दो. नाउ जस्ट इमेजिन इफ द एंटायर इंडस्ट्रीज और द is if you add up the entire number or entire requirement number of the complete industries, your number will be huge. So
True.
this is the getting discount from the vendors or from the manufacturers based on the volume. So it is basically when you and there are multiple other it's not just price, obviously there are multiple other aspects and other parameters to it. It gives you just one single vendor for everything. And when
Right.
आपको जो भी खरीदना है, there's one vendor, आप उसके पास जाओ and this will be like true. तो आपको 10 जगह पर अपना इनवॉइस देना है, 10 जगह से मटेरियल रिसीव करना है, 10 जगह से मटेरियल भेज रहे हो, ले रहे हो. Just one single vendor and everything will be managed by a single vendor. It is like collaborating with a partner. It is like a partnership which gives you a solution for procurement, solution for supply chain, and your one solution or one spoke, or you can say one point of contact for the entire procurement and supply chain. So this is
Right.
like basically aggregation.
So basically, you are the focal point between the vendor group and between this client group that happens, and
Perfect.
basically you converge the two, which I think is very
Perfect.
much needed, especially in the informal sector. Since I belong to the informal sector, we very much need something like that. So I understand. अभी तो हो रहा है mostly for secondary, like for manufacturing and all this must be going on mainly. And
Yeah, right.
so that's pretty cool. Yeah. And what do you do? Like, what's your role in this entire thing?
See, I mean, there are multiple clients, right? So we have Fortune 500 clients. We're dealing with very big clients. So when it comes to clients, obviously you have to ensure that client को जो चाहिए, that your team is making it ready within that period.
Right.
So I mean, for example, like अभी आप COVID का ले लो, if you want some mask for yourself, right? So अगर आपको mask चाहिए, तो आपको, if I tell you that I'm gonna give you like within 2 days, it means 2 days, right? If I
Right.
give you in 4th day, then your satisfaction level with my company is going to reduce. So
Of
you're
course.
keeping that satisfaction level intact, that if it is 2 days, it has to be 2 days. And then plus my role is to ensure that the clients are happy, the supply chain is working, and vendors
Right.
are aligned, and completely basically to ensure that the supply chain is working perfectly.
Right. So and you told me like you lead a team of 80 plus people on an
Yeah,
average.
right. Yes.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And the thing is, it's very rare to see people that are this young achieve so much in life. I was just talking to someone else just now, Nutan, and I was just like, we were just having this discussion, and you came up actually in that discussion. मैं बोल रहा था, I was like, इंटरव्यू है, बोला रात के 11:30 बजे. मैं बोला हाँ है इंटरव्यू, तो है भाई, अब क्या करना है. They're like, अच्छा कौन है? मैंने बोला there's a VP from this company called Bulk MRO, and they're into aggregation, they're into logistics, ये वो. बोले अच्छा. देखा तो इसमें खास क्या है? I was like, let me tell you something. I told the roommate, I was like, let me tell you something. तू barely TL बनाओगा ना, तब ये VP बनी है. And that's pretty awesome. I want to know how you did it. I think everyone here
Yeah.
wants to know how you did it.
Yeah, absolutely. So actually, I tell you that there is a जैसे वो actually में लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई आपको लाइफ में कभी एक टाइम आता है when you have to choose between growth and comfort. So I just want to tell you one thing. Just like I was working for a government company. I was working for HPCL, which is a government, which is a PSU.
Right.
So secure job. So हर माँ बाप का सपना होता है कि उनका बेटा या बेटी सरकारी नौकरी में काम करे.
Shit! I know where this is going. Okay, go on.
Yeah, so I was working for a government company, and
Right.
I was working there. It was a very comfortable life. Yeah, सरकारी में I mean, ऐसा नहीं कि काम नहीं है. There's definitely a lot of work वहाँ पर भी चलता है. लेकिन ये है कि comfortable है. I mean, आपको पता है कि nobody is gonna give you the pink slip ever. And the other factor in सरकारी companies यार irrespective of आप चाहे 100% काम करो या दूसरा कोई 50 या 60 जितना मर्जी करे, ultimately after a certain period of time you both will be promoted more or less. 1-8 साल का difference होगा, but you both will be given the promotion at the same time.
Right.
1 साल पीछे. There is no way where you can just jump in that ladder and say that मैं आज at this position हूँ, I have done well, I have done something brilliant, hence I have been promoted to a senior level,
Right.
whatever. So when I got a opportunity from my second company, which was a diversified company, which was 6 verticals. In fact, you might have heard I was working with Rajan since we were in Gujarat. So I was working with Rajan.
Okay.
So Rajan's group, so they were into 6 verticals. I got an opportunity to head 6 verticals and do end-to-end procurement for all 6 verticals.
Right.
It's like managing one single company, then 6 different companies, and versus keep working for HPCL, keep having that comfortable life. And one more surprise that my husband also works for HPCL. So लोग बोलते थे यार दोनों पति पत्नी HPCL में और लाइफ में और चाहिए क्या?
Right.
But वो कीड़ा inside me of growth and कीड़ा inside me for passion for my career. Obviously, it was saying, no, yeah, you need something else. You need something more. ये बैठ के ये सरकारी वाला feel नहीं होगा.
Right.
Then obviously, then I took that opportunity. So I think it took me 1 to 2 months to literally convince my parents that I want to leave this job. They were like, अरे यार मतलब कौन ऐसा करता है? It was like 1 month घर पे एकदम मचा हुआ था. Everybody was like यार नहीं, this is not done यार, तुम सरकारी नहीं छोड़ सकते यार, हमने पुश्ते लगा दी अपनी तैयारी करा दी.
You had already put in your resignation?
Yes, and then I told my parents post my resignation, obviously.
Right.
But then in government, you have this window of say like 15-20 days that you can take it back, and even if it is approved, you can take it back because it's like one way entry. If you exit from government, there's no way that you can go back.
Right.
Yeah, there's no re-entry. So I was like, ठीक है यार, अभी कर दिया, घर वालों को convince किया. Everybody, I had to go through a lot of challenges in convincing people around me. My friends were like, who does that यार? We are into private sector. We know what we go through, politics and all. You're not made for that. आपको वैसे nursery नहीं किया गया है because of सरकारी वाले हो. I said, no यार, I want to take this. I took it, and that was literally a thing that I'll say that it changed the entire career graph for me.
Right.
So I was heading procurement for like 1.5 years. I was working with that company. Then obviously I got the VP position where currently I'm heading a team of 80 people. This is how you. So there's always, I feel that when you talk about career, there's always a time where you will get a choice between your comfort and your and growth. I mean, you might have also felt it कि भाई कभी ऐसा आता है कि फैमिली में आपके पास बच्चे हैं, बीवी है, you're all set and somebody is telling you are based out of Bombay and आपको बैंगलोर से आया opportunity with double package and a very good position. You're saying नहीं यार फैमिली है यहाँ पर क्या ही जाना, बैंगलोर छोड़ो ना. So it's like, it is only up to you. If you want to live a comfortable life, go for it. But if you are a career oriented person, you want to like grow up and you want to just आपको ladder पे चढ़ना है फटाफट से, then you have to take this opportunity, grab them and छोड़ो मत कर. Then do your best. Then it's like you have to prove yourself कि यार you are worth it. अगर आपने ये choice लिया है, सबको बोला है कि I can do it, not just for them, for yourself also. Prove it to yourself that yes, you can do it. So this is how I
think एक कीड़ा होता है, and this is why I relate with you. एक कीड़ा होता है हासिल करने का. हासिलिंग का कीड़ा बोलते हैं ना, वो कुछ लोग उसे सैक्रिफाइस की तरह देखेंगे, बट टू अस दैट्स अ वेरी टाइनी कॉम्प्रोमाइज दैट वी आर मेकिंग एज अपोज्ड टू व्हाट वी वांट टू ट्रूली डू. मैंने इस चक्कर में तो कंपनी खोल डाला.
you're managing a lot of companies, yeah. I mean, that's a very very huge thing. I mean, like, yeah, पूरा दिन मेरा चला जाता है सुबह से लेके शाम तक to manage one single task that which I'm doing and managing so many companies. I mean, next time probably I will be interviewing you.
I've spoken to a lot of people my entire life. Nobody has loved their corporate job this much.
Yeah.
किसी ने नहीं. ठीक है? And I think this is kudos to everyone in Bulk MRO for making an employee. For first of all, choosing an employee जो जी जान लगा देगा. Secondly, for bringing them to a height where they are in a decision making position, because कई बार ऐसा होता है, when you're passionate about the product, when you're passionate about your service, that's when you can give your 100% to the entire company, right?
Absolutely.
That is what I see in you. So tell us about what your life is like at Bulk MRO, because like honestly, like this kind of enthusiasm towards a corporate job, even to an entrepreneur, it's like a dream come true.
You might have heard people saying that you should love your job, only then then your job is going to love you back. So I mean, to me, all these things, I just treat these things very, very truly. Yes, this is a fact. If you love your job, and I think what I believe is in the entire day, people, sometimes there are people who focus, who ask their reportees to do what they're saying कि यार ये करो, वैसा करो, ऐसा करो, वैसा करो, मुझे लगता है इसे ऐसा करना चाहिए. I just do one thing, that मेरा पूरा दिन का ये काम रहता है कि I just need to do follow up कि आपके काम किया कि नहीं किया, बाकी तुम्हें कैसे करना है, you do it. Because the moment I'm gonna tell you कि मेरे thought process ये है, you're gonna lose that creative thing inside you. You're gonna lose that kira of doing your bit. Then it's like I believe that people should be just working the way they want to work, and they should be told that you should be working on it. आप ये चीज ये timelines में करो. You should only be ensuring on the timeline. But with respect to काम, मैं कभी किसी को ये बताती नहीं कि आप ऐसे काम करो. So my time didn't go in that कि आप ये काम करो, आपने ऐसा करना चाहिए, go there, ये इसको फोन लगाओ, उसको फोन लगाओ, इसको ऐसे देखो. No. Even if somebody comes to me, I believe that I tell people to solve those things yourself. Don't come to me, because the moment I start solving things for them, they're gonna lose that thing of getting into a problem and then solving it on your own. I always connect हमारी basic values to the work. So when I was young, my father never told me. I just say that my father never told me कि यार I'll go with you, तुम्हारे tuition पे तुम्हारे साथ चलूंगा, so that nobody is on the way is troubling you or you are reaching stage. He used to tell me, you are big enough to take your decisions. क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, you're good enough to fight. Go, अपने आप जाओ, अपने आप आओ, सीखोगे. 4 दिन कोई कुछ बोलेगा, 5th day you will also give गाली to him. Right. Punjab is not a very, it's not a state where ऐसा नहीं कि भाई e-teasing is very common. So right. And everybody is aware. ऐसा नहीं किसी को पता नहीं है कि भाई ऐसा e-teasing नहीं होता. Everybody is aware कि हाँ भाई e-teasing होता है. My father used to tell me, जा यार, जो होगा तो 4 गाली दे के आना साथ में. So making your child ready for such situations कि यार देख, I'm there, कुछ होगा तो I'm there, लेकिन भाई तू जा, तू लड़के आ. And if something goes wrong, I'm there. So I just apply that thing to my kids also. तुम्हें जो करना है करो, जितना फाड़ के आना है फाड़ के आओ. मैं बैठी हूँ यहाँ पर देखने के लिए, मैनेज करने के लिए. But I'm not gonna tell you कि तुम्हें इस रास्ते पे ऐसे चलना है. I'm not gonna hold your finger and guide you on your way. Yeah. I'm just gonna tell you that you do it the way you want to do it. At the end, at the finish point, I'm gonna tell you that wow, you have done a great job, but not on the way.
Because a lot of problems that juniors have with their seniors is micromanagement. तुम क्यों micromanage कर रहे हो मुझे, क्यों हर चीज में घुस रहे हो? I'm giving you an outcome. You gave me an input. बीच का process क्या है? Let me figure it out. I relate. I totally relate. So this has turned into a leadership masterclass of sorts, because we're getting to listen to a lot of different views. And अच्छा है, because people in our generation need to listen to views like this and need to understand what is the difference between a leader and a boss, basically, जो बोलते हैं. Like, what's the most exciting thing that happens at work every now and then?
बसड़ तो बहुत होती है यार. It's like even बसड़ is endless. मटीरियल नहीं पहुंचा टाइमली, आज चाहिए तो आज का आज नहीं चाहिए तो आज नहीं मिला. क्लाइंट को आज का आज ही चाहिए, बट लेकिन आज का कल हो गया. So all that buzzer keeps on happening, and it's like it's like now ऐसे लगता है कि दिन का रोज तो यही तो काम है. So it's like it's nothing which tells me that this is not at its position. I feel that this is यही चैलेंज में तो मजा है. यार नॉर्मल अगर लाइफ चलती रहना तो कुछ, जब तक we Indians always want some kind of flavor in life. थोड़ा तो खट्टा मीठा होना चाहिए. तो अगर जॉब में भी ये सब कुछ नहीं चलेगा ना, you will feel like यार कुछ है ही नहीं करने के लिए. जब तक कि वो फ्लेवर नहीं आता ना जॉब में कि यार ये चीज अटक गई है. And obviously, with every atakna, you know learn things. अच्छा, ये कोविड का ही आपको मैं you just asking this. कोविड का ही आप एग्जांपल ले लो. एकदम से the whole India, पूरा इंडिया लॉकडाउन हो गया, and then we were like clients को मटेरियल चाहिए था, and कोविड के पहले there was a lot of requirement of 3-ply mask, and I think we have supplied to बहुत सारे clients को 3-ply mask. and 3-ply mask का क्या था कि इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बहुत कम है. हार्डली कंपनीज जो मैन्युफैक्चर करती हैं, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट इम्पोर्ट होके आती है मशीन जिससे बनता है, या फिर लोग इट्स नथिंग ऐसा आइटम नहीं है कि भाई इंडिया में रेडीली इसके लिए वी वर रेडी फॉर सच काइंड ऑफ आइटम कि इसका इतना ज्यादा मार्केट में डिमांड आ जाएगा. एंड वो डिमांड आ गया. I remember, my bosses, they worked like 21 hours a day to give these requirements to the clients, to give these 3-ply masks to the clients. India में available नहीं था. कहाँ से ढूंढ के लाए हैं वो मास्क, कहाँ से, like the entire company was working so that the clients are not suffering. So
True.
that kind of challenge is like, पता से मजा आया. I mean, वो that period of 20 days अभी पूरा वो vendors ढूंढ रहे हैं, vendors झूठ बोलते हैं. I mean, India अभी COVID-19 में तो ऐसा है कि they say we have things but they will not have things. वो पूरा and people will actually going to manufacturer's place check कि भाई इसका ये बना रहा है कि नहीं बना रहा. Actually मेरे पास स्टॉक है कि नहीं है. गलियों में घुस के स्टॉक ढूंढ के लेके आना and then वो clients को supply करना. It is, I mean, I believe that every single challenge that you get in your company, that every single challenge is such a beautiful moment of learning, knowledge, and such a beautiful moment of togetherness as a team. Because in that period, वो लोग भी उभर के आते हैं and everybody wants to be a part of that crisis. यार हमें भी करना है. It's like basically a team activity going on for a longer period, where that team activity is also giving you some kind of revenues at the end.
Right.
So,
that's the most positive way of looking at it, by the way. That is a silver lining mentality, I would say, where our problem may be to make challenge ढूंढो ना कि problem, which is, I think, it's brilliant. Talk to me a little bit about what Bulk MRO has done in this COVID situation, because I guess you guys have done quite a bit. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, I mean everything. So we have been supplying all PP kits to our two hospitals, to few states, and we have been supplying masks, sanitizers. I mean, you name it, we have done it. I mean, in this crisis where even, I mean, right now government has told some days back that now people can start delivering essential goods. Before that also we were delivering essential goods to our customer when the entire India was locked down.
Right.
और जिसका पता नहीं था, all the logistic partners were not working. They had stopped their operations, and even in those times we were supplying to our clients. And वो कैसे supply किया है, vendor से उनका shop, उनका manufacturing, उनका plant खुलवाना, and फिर वो चीज वहाँ से उठाना और उठा के पहुँचाना. It was like a task.
Right.
But then again, I mean, I just told you that every single challenge, I so love it. Without challenge, without that flavor, I mean, it's like very normal and boring thing.
इस वीडियो को देखने वाला जो भी है, तुम्हें कुछ समझ आ रहा हो नहीं आ रहा हो, all you have to do is watch her face. Look at how her eyes pop open and how enthusiastic she is about what she does. अगर तुमने जिंदगी में जो भी कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में इतने एंथुजियाज्म के साथ उस चीज को नहीं किया तो तुमने क्या ही किया. That's what I feel. Like, and this is why I loved having you here, Nutan, is because you have been so candid about everything and you love it. वो सबसे बड़ी बात है. Nutan, I have people all the way from, my major demographic is between 18 and 30.
Okay.
There are people watching from all major status of life, people just entering jobs to people already in a job, maybe like, unhappy, maybe very happy. What is the one message you'd like to give to all the viewers today?
I mean, I feel is that you just rightly said, whatever you do, just do it passionately. I mean, obviously, our life is सबको नहीं मिलता. If you have a very amazing life at home, you may not be having very amazing life at office, or vice versa. You may be having a lot of friend circle, great friend circle in office, and you may not be having that kind of good life at home. So life is सब कुछ नहीं मिलता यार. I mean, you will not get always choice to choose your company or sometimes maybe career or your boss. It's like जहाँ पे किसी ने कभी घर वालों ने डाल दिया, कभी जहाँ प्लेसमेंट हुई वहाँ चले गए, कभी यार यही बॉस मिला है, कुछ कर नहीं सकते. But I mean, leave all those things apart. You do your best. I mean, I don't want to sound like a old age woman, but yeah, as mentioned in Gita, that फल की इच्छा मत कर, कर्म कर फल की इच्छा मत कर. That's what I believe. Keep working. यार तुम बस काम करो. कोई तुम्हें क्या सोचता है, क्या नहीं देखता है, भावना. You just work what you feel like is best as for you. Keep learning every single thing that you see around you, every single person that you see around you or you see working. सबसे कुछ ना कुछ सीखते रहो. जिस दिन आपने सीखना बंद कर दिया, लर्न करना बंद कर दिया, आपका दिमाग वहाँ चलना बंद हो जाएगा. And if you want to grow in life, if you want to grow in your career, सीखना is one objective. तो सीखते रहो, चाहे छोटे से सीखो चाहे बड़े से सीखो. Just don't leave सीखना. I'm not getting the exact words, but yeah.
When life gives you lemon, make lemonade.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so like life is like poker. Like I tell people, I'm like, life is like poker. You don't always get a good hand. You have to make the best of what hand you're dealt. right?
True, true.
So like I think very rightly put, bhai, I have never ever learned so much in so little time. This has been amazing. I'm sure everyone watching is going to be. By the way, shout out to everyone from Balcamaro watching this. Thank you so much for everything you've done for this country during this difficult time. And a big thank you to Nutan. Nutan, you've been an absolute sweetheart for doing this. That's amazing, यार. तुमने इतने छोटे से time में, चलो ठीक है यार, position एक चीज होती है, but to gain this level of experience to be able to talk about it so openly. I mean, see, this is why I love Punjabi girls. I fucking love Punjabi
Yeah.
girls.
Right. Heart out.
Oh, ekdam. Pura pura. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Nutan, once again,
Yeah.
सत श्री अकाल,
And
whatever you
मुझे
guys say.
झेलने के लिए, yeah, सच में.
झेलने के लिए, बाप रे, आधी घंटे हम आपसे बात नहीं कर सकते क्या? झेलना. I think, बल्कि हमारे guys, please comment down below. तुम झेलते हो या नहीं इसको? But no, seriously, thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.